A little update. How's everybody doing? Tomatoes are doing fantastic. From little sticks to this. Oh, very nice. I came in and watered them because I was helping my nephew do his Veggies pavers. Very nice. So I hadn't updated anything about my yard on the plants. The beans are getting very big. I need to tie them up. I guess tomorrow it's Home Depot day, or maybe Saturday. Flowers are doing good. Eggplants are doing okay. Peppers are doing perfect. Yeah, I got two more little zucchinis. I'm just gonna keep one there and one over here. Peppers on this side, they're a bit and we will see. Eggplants are doing okay, and tomatoes are doing okay. Let's go take a look in front. Grass is doing okay, could be doing better. The vines are starting to do okay, but there's no grapes this year, for sure. I'll be surprised. Roses are doing good. These are gonna be beautiful flowers over here on this one. She's gonna be short this year, but I have to start deadheading her so she can make another flush. She's all right. They're all right down there. Let's check out my little roses in the front. This one out full bloom. This one, That little stick, we're gonna have to wait. A couple of little wild flowers. These are beautiful. Hostas are doing good. It's doing good. Good. Tree is all right. We're getting a little one here. How does it look like? Not bad. These ones are coming along. And these are coming along. Gotta cut the lawn. My neighbor's roses are really, really, really beautiful. And we'll go back and we'll make a video for you in the afternoon or tomorrow morning. A mountain of color.